Welcome to the channel where we round up the craziest clips caught on Dashcam we can find every month. This video features near misses and just all around terrible drivers. Enjoy.
Yeah, hopefully Sunday. I don't know how long.
Wait, is today out the front?
Whoa! What the heck is that person doing? He almost ran over that guy. What the hell?
Somebody did something like that, and it didn't end so well.
It's a lot like birdsong. Eric Jarvis is a researcher at Rockefeller University in New York. He says mouse.
No, 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 no! What the f-
Idiot! What the f-
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Dashcam mayhem like this.